Film what you're doing. This is connected. Bloop. To your fence.
This is our little DC power supply from the world famous Amazon, if you've heard of it. Okay, now you might want to film the water. It should theoretically like bubble a little bit, and you should see things start to theoretically happen. I'm not sure. Ready?
Ready. So suspenseful.
Does it do anything?
No.
No?
Maybe it takes a bit? Not a thing.
Okay, theoretically that's 4.2 volts. Sorry, 4.2 amps at 12.8 volts.
Technically, you could find that with your voltmeter, right?
I don't know.
Lots of crap coming up already. That's pretty crazy. Good. Okay, let's go see. Wow. Holy camole. Okay. I guess it works, eh? Okay, so when I took a video this morning, it wasn't supposed to be that low. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. And the reason we think is because the cab was resting on the ground. Which, okay. So now the voltage is up higher. Can't see much of a difference from up here, but you will be able to after today, I'm sure. That's what it should be at all day and night for about a week. So what happened?
The wire has gotten thin and eaten away. The wire that was hanging down inside the water. So now I've just drilled new pieces and hanging it slightly above, so the wire won't get eaten away. It'll just eat the spare steel. But now I'm concerned that the pieces that were on there, because there was pieces just like this on the wire, they have now fallen down to the bottom. And hopefully they didn't puncture any holes in the bottom of our nice 6mm liner.
Actually 12 mil.
2 times 6.
Yeah.
Just 12. We'll see.
This is day 2. So, that's a lot. So these are some of the ones that he's already taken out. And then he replaced them with some new ones. It's looking great. Can't wait to see it when it comes out.